Hello YouTube. I have written a Python code to control Tinder with my voice, and it just made using Tinder a lot easier. Check this out.
Listening.
Next photo.
Recognizing. Listening.
Next photo.
Recognizing. Listening.
Yes.
Recognizing. Listening.
Next photo.
Recognizing. Listening.
No.
Recognizing. Listening.
No.
Recognizing. Listening.
No.
Recognizing. Listening.
No.
Recognizing. Listening.
Next photo.
Recognizing. Listening.
Next photo.
Recognizing. Listening.
Yes.
Recognizing. Listening.
Stop.
Recognizing.
Next, I am thinking of automating WhatsApp. So, stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like this video, please click that like button. And a sub would be awesome. Thank you. Peace.